Ancient enigmas unveiled, theories and ancient wisdom behind pyramid construction. Welcome to History Aficionados and Inquisitive Minds. In today's adventure, we journey deep into the past to explore the construction of the legendary pyramids of Egypt. Join us as we delve into the fascinating theories about how these colossal structures were built and uncover the ancient wisdom that guided the hands of the pyramid builders. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button. The Majesty of the Pyramids. Before we delve into the theories, let's take a moment to admire the sheer majesty of the pyramids. These monumental structures are a testament to the genius and determination of the ancient Egyptians, and their construction remains a captivating enigma to this day. Hit that like button if you admire the sheer majesty of the pyramids. Ancient records and hieroglyphs. To understand how the pyramids were built, we must turn to the ancient records and hieroglyphs left by the Egyptians. These inscriptions provide us with valuable insights into the techniques and tools used by the builders, as well as the role of skilled labor and organization in the construction process. The ramp theories. One of the most widely accepted theories suggests the use of ramps, either straight or zigzagging, for transporting massive stone blocks to higher levels. Ancient depictions and inscriptions hint at the existence of such ramps, serving as a practical solution for moving heavy materials. Internal ramp and spiral staircases. Another theory posits the presence of internal ramps or spiral staircases within the pyramid structure. These concealed pathways would have allowed the workers to transport heavy stones to the upper levels without the need for large external ramps. This theory reveals the architectural ingenuity of the ancient builders. Lever systems and counterweights. Some researchers propose the use of lever systems and counterweights to lift and position the massive stones. This ingenious method would have required a deep understanding of physics and precision engineering to accomplish the construction of the pyramids. The ancient wisdom. While theories help us understand the how of pyramid construction, we cannot overlook the ancient wisdom and knowledge that underpinned these incredible feats. The ancient Egyptians possessed a profound understanding of mathematics, astronomy, and engineering, and they incorporated their spiritual beliefs and celestial alignment into the design of the pyramids. The spiritual connection. The pyramids served as more than just monumental tombs. They were symbols of the Egyptian pharaoh's connection to the divine. Their precise alignment with celestial bodies, such as the North Star, reflects the Egyptians' deep spiritual beliefs and reverence for the cosmos. Legacy and global influence. The legacy of the pyramids extends far beyond Egypt, influencing architectural marvels and inspiring generations of thinkers and builders worldwide. Their enduring impact on human civilization serves as a testament to the timeless allure and fascination of ancient Egyptian culture and technology. Modern discoveries and ongoing research. In contemporary times, modern technology and ongoing archaeological research continue to shed light on the intricacies of pyramid construction. Groundbreaking discoveries and interdisciplinary collaborations are providing new insights, allowing us to revisit existing theories and uncover fresh perspectives on this ancient engineering marvel. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey through time and space. Subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button for more enlightening explorations into the wonders of the past, where ancient theories and wisdom converge to illuminate the secrets of the world's most iconic monuments. Let me know in the comments where I need to dive in deeper. Until next time, keep exploring, and may the mysteries of history continue to inspire your curiosity.